In the adjoining figure, bisector of angle BAC intersects BC at point D and prove that AB is greater than BD. So in the given figure, AD is the bisector of angle BAC. Angle BAC is divided into two equal parts by the bisector AD. That's why it is called bisector. So these two measures are same. That's why these two symbols are given here. And next, here it is asked to prove AB is greater than BD. The length of AB is greater than BD. So in this figure we can see two triangles. So out of these two triangles we can consider, okay, before that we will start from the bisector. So if angle BAC is the bisector, we can write angle BAD is congruent to angle DAC. Angle BAD and angle DAC, these two angles are congruent. Why these are, consider this as equation 1. Why these are congruent? The reason is ray AD bisects the angle BAC, bisects the angle BAC, or you can write angle symbol, angle BAC. Okay, so here, and now out of these two triangles I will consider triangle ADC. So in triangle ADC, angle ADB is the exterior angle, correct? What is exterior? If the triangle is like this, see, ADC, ADC, and extend the base. So whatever outside angle, this is called exterior angle, correct? So here, if I will consider triangle ADC, angle ADB is the exterior, outside angle. So let us write that angle ADB is an exterior angle of triangle ADC. Triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, this is the exterior. Now, therefore, angle ADB, whatever exterior angle, is greater than angle DAC. Why it is so? This is exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. What is exterior angle property? In an exterior angle, this is the exterior angle, and whatever inside this triangle we can see three angles. Out of these three angles, whatever attached angle to the exterior, this is not considerable. Other than this, remaining two angles are remote interior angles. Remote interior angles. So in triangle ADC, angle A and angle C, these two are remote interior angles, and whatever attached angle to the exterior is not considerable. Angle A and C are a remote interior. So always angle ADC, that means always the exterior angle will be greater than remote interior angle. Either A or exterior angle ADC is greater than angle C. Any we can take. But in this figure, out of this A and C, I am taking angle A, because here it is highlighted in this particular sum. This angle is the bisector. Okay, so exterior angle ADB is greater than remote interior angle A, that is DAC. So now, therefore, angle ADB is greater than, now here in the first equation, angle DAC is congruent to BAD. DAC and BAD are congruent. So instead of DAC, I will take BAD from equation 1. Okay, so now consider this as equation 2. Now in triangle Now I am considering triangle ABD. Now forget about this triangle. In triangle ABD, if angle ADB, where is angle ADB? ADB, this angle is greater than BAD. BAD is this. If AD, if BDA, if ADB, if ADB is greater, then side opposite to ADB is AB, correct? See, angle is D. So angle is D. The side opposite to D is AB. So if angle D is greater, side opposite to D, AB, length is greater. So before writing this, I will repeat this. In triangle ABD, angle ADB is greater than BAD. Equation 2 written again. Because of this we can say that, therefore if ADB is greater, side opposite to D is AB, AB is greater than BAD, angle A. Angle A is this. So side opposite to angle A is BD. So BD is smaller. AB is greater than BD. So the property is, in triangle side opposite to greater angle is greater. This property you know.